Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing this fine Wednesday morning? Glad to see you on here. Very happy to see you guys on here. Remember to do me a favor, hit that like button. Let's get this day started. I hope everyone had a good trading day yesterday. We had a good one. Danielle, good morning. Kevin, what's going on? The Beast, what's up, my man? LGVN had a nice run this morning so far. Yeah, I see it on the scans. Looking forward to jumping into these scans here and seeing what's hot. Still sitting here with my best friend. This thing is amazing. I love it. So let's go ahead and jump in here and check out these scans a little bit. Trade Ideas has SENS, BYND on the scans right now. Get that out of the way here. Make these charts a little bit bigger. Visto, morning. So that Trade Ideas 25% off coupon code is done. That thing, it's expired as of Monday. But just in case anyone's looking for Trade Ideas, I have a standing coupon code for all my subscribers. 15% off. Dwayne, what's up? You guys ready to have a good day? I know I am. Yesterday was a good day, man. I hit a nice one on Tesla puts. I might do that one in a little bit of a recap video going into next week, but really quickly I'll show you. The Beast, you were in the room for it, right? I think you were. It was like the final. It was like the final downside move that Tesla had yesterday. We caught that rejection right there, and it was a pretty quick trade. I was flat right here. I took profits along the way, but I was flat right there. Banger of a trade, over 4 points on the last take on those put options. I'll recap it. Oh, and I have the trade recorded live. So what I'll do is I'm going to make a whole video and I'll put it out on Sunday for you guys. How about that? Visto, go ahead. Shoot your question right now. Go for it. Anyone that has any questions, any tickers you want to go over, now's a perfect time. Early on, we can start that off. You there, Visto? I don't know how delayed the YouTube is. No, it's not too delayed. Just saw myself coughing now. All right. Well, whenever you're ready, throw out your question. So MYNZ hitting the scans here today. We'll see what's going on there. There's a few hitting the scans this morning. Ten-year Treasury yields at 1.65, so it's settled down some. Maybe we don't get any more downside today on the tech. Morning, Monarchy. The Beast. That's funny. Let's check in here. 5 things to know this morning. U.S. stock futures fell slightly Wednesday, one day after the Dow closed at another record, or lost my place. After the Dow closed at another record, the 30 stock average rose nearly 0.6% following Monday's advance on the first trading day of 2022. Investors sought shares to stand to benefit from the economic recovery, betting the explosion of COVID cases in the U.S. due to the Omicron variant won't shut things down again. The S&P 500 dropped slightly Tuesday from the previous session's record close. The Nasdaq lost 1.3% on Tuesday as growth-oriented tech stocks were knocked around by a 10-year Treasury yield above 1.7 at one stage, and the 10-year yield fell Wednesday. The seasonal Santa Claus rally, which often happens in the last week of December and in the first 2 trading days of January, held for the Dow and the S&P. However, the Nasdaq was lower during that stretch. ADP is expecting to show slowing job growth at U.S. companies last month. ADP's December report on hiring U.S. companies, set for release at 8:15 a.m. on Wednesday, is expected to show job growth of 375,000 positions. In November, 534,000 new private sector jobs were added. The Labor Department is scheduled to release weekly jobless claims data Thursday and the monthly employment report for December on Friday. The Federal Reserve will be watching those numbers carefully ahead of its 2-day January meeting later this month at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday. The Fed is out with minutes from its meeting in December, when it unveiled plans to accelerate bond purchase tapering and signaled 3 interest rate hikes in 2022. Monarchy International Realty. By the way, Ford had a 2-3-point run yesterday. Jesse, you were right on the money. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Trading isn't as difficult as people make it out to be. Once you learn technical analysis, and don't get me wrong, it takes a while to learn, and the more you're at it, the more it expands and the more you learn. I've gone from just trading off of support and resistance lines to trades that, look, the Beast, one of my members in the chat, he's here right now, will tell you, we're looking at the 10-year Treasury yield, we're looking at the SPY, and then we're trading something like Tesla. So it will expand, but trading isn't as difficult as people make it seem. The difficult part about trading, once you've learned technical analysis, is controlling your emotions. That's the most difficult part. Visto, Lucid looking at a call $41 if it shows strength above 430, or a put 38 if it shows weakness under 38.35. Is that logical? Well, let's go take a look at the chart. So you're talking about calls over 41. Honestly, I would not, me personally, I would not be interested in it unless it broke above that 50-day moving average. You see this blue line here on the daily chart? That's the 50-day moving average. Sorry, guys. I'm going to be hanging out with my best friend a lot today. Chloroseptic sore throat spray. Once it gets over that, then it's good in a sense, because look at all its resistance at this line. And then right above it, you have the 50-day moving average. Me personally, there's a lot of resistance here. So if we can get over that, then maybe we have room to 45. Outside of that, I think there's still more downside on this thing. There. And then here's final area. Well, no, there's one more area here for potential support, and it coincides with the 100-day moving average. All right, hope that helps. Right, Crispy. What's up, my man? Every time you pop in here, I feel like I need to ask for an autograph. I will. Will do. Thank you. All right, so let's see what else we got on here. Oh, did it? Nice. Congrats. I know you've been in that one. Yeah, that thing's been on a massive tear, guys. Definitely watch that right level right there to see if it holds support now. If it holds support, that clear skies. All right, anything else? Lucid, we already went over. You got it. You got it, Visto. It's my pleasure. Okay, so let's start jumping into some of these plays. I'm just looking at some news here real quick. All right, nothing else. All right, cool. Let's start jumping into some of these scans here. MYNZ. Let's see if this thing has any news this morning. Why it's popping around. You too, brother. Right, Crispy. You too, man. Okay, MYNZ. Mainz Biomed acquires exclusive rights to novel mRNA biomarkers. So they have some news this morning. Potential for colo alert to emerge as the most robust and accurate at-home screening test for colorectal cancer. So that's the deal that's going on with MYNZ. I haven't seen MYNZ hit the scans in a while. I mean, this is clear as day. You got $18 previous resistance right here. So that's the level to watch, in my opinion. That's the level to watch. So I'm going to start working on putting the list here together. Guys, if you want the list emailed to you, we can send you the daily and the weekly. We can send you the daily and the weekly watch list. Here, let me get you the link. Thought I had it handy here. Oh yeah, here it is. If you want the watch list, we send you the daily and the weekly watch list right there. Oh wow, man, that's wild. That's funny. All right, so we got MYNZ. It's super extended now, but definitely want to keep on watch. MYNZ, I'll watch, see if it holds 18. That $18 zone right here, previous resistance. I feel like this chart is missing some data. Give me 1 second here. Let me look at another chart. No, not missing anything. All right. Okay, so MYNZ with news. To emerge as the most robust, accurate at-home screening. Watching for the $18 area to hold support on pullbacks. APCX. APCX? Oh, okay, gotcha. Dude, I just realized the Autobahn, that's freaking wild. I was rereading what you wrote, Rice Crispy. That's wild, man. That's awesome. What an experience. LGVN, another one here. I suspect there's not much going on here as far as news goes, but there is a little technical situation going on here. Okay, there is news on it 3 hours ago. So, announces initiation of phase 2A clinical trial of Lomocel B for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. These Alzheimer's drugs lately, their therapies the last few days haven't been getting the hype that they used to get for some odd reason. Well, it's not so much an odd reason. These small caps haven't been trading the best lately. And I'd say over the last almost 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks, they just haven't been trading well. So maybe that's part of the reason. You'll have like one that'll make a run for like the day, but that's about it. And it's been rather choppy. I mean, yesterday small caps didn't do all that great either. You know, my trade was on Tesla. I've been trading Tesla. I've been trading SPY. I've been trading larger names a lot more often lately. And if I trade a small cap, I'm in and out of it rather quick, just because they're not trading well. But LGVN, previous runner. So we'll see this one, LGVN. Initiation of phase 2A clinical trial for treatment of Alzheimer's. All right, let's take a look here. We got the 50-day moving average right around here in this $13 zone. Let me get the exact number on that 50-day. So the 50 days at $12.92, so that $13 zone. I knew it. Look where it's found resistance. Previous resistance here, which was previously support right here, and previous resistance right here. Man, that level's gonna be hard. Cindy, good morning. That level is gonna be no joke. Guys, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button for me. It really helps out tremendously. We got 21 people in the stream and we got 10 likes there. Bump that up for me. Helps out a lot. Yesterday, we actually hit a record. We had 50 people on the stream and 40-something likes. That was freaking awesome. That's hands down the second biggest stream I've ever had. The first biggest stream isn't even on YouTube anymore. I saw the old stats. It's when we launched the Day Trader chat room. We had over 900 people. Or at least 900 views on that stream at one point or another. That was pretty cool. Is that what you're watching today, Cindy? RELI, BLLZ, IMMX, Ford, Palantir, FCell. That's a big watch list. Nice, guys. Thank you for the likes. Appreciate it. Whoa, 16. That was fast. You guys are awesome. True MVPs. So LGVN, that 1510 zone, look how difficult it is. That $15 zone. That's a difficult area. So I'm going to watch the 50-day moving average. So we'll watch the $13 zone. Watching the 50-day MA, $13 area to hold support. I'll put in parentheses, 50-day is $12.92. On pullbacks, could have room towards 15. There we go. Over 15, at that point you're talking about 1650s and higher. So we got that. Let me take a look at some of these that Cindy wrote up. RELI, guys, you remember yesterday, RELI, you guys, somebody mentioned it, asked me about it. I told you we were in this ascending triangle here. Look at the move that it gave yesterday. I said over 825 was interesting, and look at that move off of 825. Now today, what you definitely want to see is you want to see it hold 825. You'll definitely want to see it hold 825. If it can hold 825, you know, it might like consolidate and give us a move, maybe tomorrow. So let me see what else. IMMX, no. Not right. I mean, it's flagging on the daily, but it's having a horrible time. Definitely want to keep on the back burner. No. I'm a long-term investor in Palantir. It's really at a nice support zone right now. If it cracks under this, it's got a lot of downside left. So if it cracks under this level, it's got a boatload of downside. Ford. That was a big day. Huge day on Ford yesterday. Biggest volume in forever as well. So it could still have some continuation in it. Ideally, the most perfect world scenario. All right, and that's always what I try to look for. I try to look for the A setups. Okay, so would be a couple of consolidation days, 2 or 3 days, where Ford could flag here. Does that mean it's going to do it? No. That's just what I wish it would do before giving another run up. Hold on. There we go. Before doing something crazy. Right? That's what I would look for on Ford. And what else you have on there? SHMA. SHMA. No, I don't know what that is. VLCN? VLCN having a hard time at 11. So watch out for that. Could come down further, maybe 9. HOTH was on watch yesterday, but it couldn't get it going. So definitely not something. I mean, if it holds a dollar, great, but it's not something I'm going to keep on watch anymore. All right. SGMA. It is due for a bounce, maybe off of this 100-day moving average. Maybe. If not, then these 825s maybe. You can see previous resistance, turn support. Turn resistance. Maybe it'll turn support there, but it is due for a bounce eventually, but who knows when. Guys, just in private job growth total, 807,000 in December, more than doubling expectations, ADP says. Private job growth totaled 807,000 for the month, well ahead of the Dow Jones estimate of 375,000 and November gain of 505,000 according to ADP. Hiring was broad-based through leisure and hospitality, led with 246,000 new positions. Businesses with 500 or more employees accounted for the bulk of the gains in December, adding to 389,000. I mean, that's not surprising after they destroyed small businesses. Let's see what else. Yeah, that's about it there. So huge job numbers, huge. While service-related professions led with 669,000 new hires, the goods-producing side also showed strong gains. Manufacturing rose 74,000 and construction contributed 62,000. All right, so there you go. Okay, so back to the watch list here, the scanners. So we got MYNZ, we got LGVN, SENS, another one hitting the scans today. Ugh. You know what I don't like about this SENS right now? My God, look where it's at. First of all, it's right smack dab in the middle of that channel. It is literally basically in the middle of the channel. Look at the lows in here. And look at the highs up here. We're right in the middle. I don't like that. Also, look at that. The 200 day, the 50 day, the 100 day. I'm tired just looking at it myself. So, you know, in order for this thing to get crazy today, it's going to need to break up and over that 100 that 100 day moving average for sure. I'm not a fan of this SENS today. Let's check and see if it has any news. SENS. So 3 hours ago announces equity grants to employees under inducement plan. Sorry guys, just getting a message here from site admin. Silver Shrimp, what's up, man? Made 110% off SPY, 473 strike put expiring this Friday. Sold half. We'll sell the other half right before Fed speaks. And hold the other remaining 25% if Fed has bad news. Man, that's amazing. Nice job. We nailed some Tesla puts yesterday. Congratulations. Guys, swing on by the free Discord. Come hang out with us. SENS, you know, maybe I'd say if it breaks and holds 340. That's what I'm going to put it on as a list. So SENS with announcement of equity grants to employees under inducement plan. Watching for the 340 area to hold support on pullbacks. Yo, AWB1532, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on there. Looking forward to trading with you. So, watching for the 340 area to break and hold. To break and hold as support. Could have room towards $430s. Could have room towards those 430s. Lee, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on there. Welcome. Enjoy your time there. So, okay, so we got MYNZ, we got LGVN, we got SENS. What else is there out here? Let's take a look and see. This WeHo. Sounds like it's WeHo. WEJO. Big gap up today, but it's been selling off. Does it even have any news? What a sell-off after the gap up. Boatload of bag holders maybe want to get rid of this thing every time it gaps up. 13 hours ago announces neural edge processing platform streamlining connected vehicle data and driving autonomous vehicles. Okay, so apparently that's not getting enough hype. Guys. My best friend for the day. I love that spray. Okay, I think we're done going through the smallies right now. Let's go look at the SPY. Okay, so the SPY is range bound right now. The SPY is very range bound. It's a big range, but we're smack dab in the middle of that range. So I don't think I'm going to be looking at the SPY much today. If it breaks yesterday's low, 475.50, then yeah, you got room to fall. But I don't know about that. I don't think it's going to do that. Yesterday, you have to understand, the 10-year treasury yield made a big move. Boom. Out of nowhere, just bang. And that's what caused a lot of the sell-offs in the growth names. Okay? So I don't know that today we're going to have a round 2 of that. I just don't know. I think maybe we'll see a little bit of selling off on some tech names, some final stuff, and then maybe we got a bounce. So I don't think I'll watch the SPY today for a trade. But let's go check in on Tesla. Let me check on this monitor over here a little bit, less glare. Yesterday's low on Tesla was 1123. Yesterday's low was 1123. Right now, let me erase some of these circles here, clean up this chart some. How's yesterday's low? 1123. Yeah, that's what it says here. 1123 was yesterday's low. Let me take a look at something. All right, so Tesla. Yeah, 1123.05 was yesterday's low. And right now, we're in the 1140s. What was yesterday's close? Yesterday's close looks like it was around 1150. So you'll watch that 1150 zone, see if that holds resistance on Tesla today. But it's a difficult day, I'm not gonna lie. Watch Tesla, see if it either breaks back above 1150 or stays below it. I think that'll be the level I'll be watching on it. Let me take a look at this hourly chart real quick. Yeah, we closed off around 1150 yesterday. $1149.59 was the close. So 1150. 1150 was the close yesterday. 1149.50. If we can't get above that, then I think maybe we got a little bit more sell-off on Tesla. So let me write this one down here. Tesla watching for yesterday's close to either hold resistance or a move back down towards the 1120s, or break and become support for a move back towards 1170s. The close was 1150 area. All right, so we got Tesla, guys. What I'm going to watch on Tesla is going to be either for a break and a hold of yesterday's close, which was in 1150. It was 1149.50, but let's call it 1150, because Tesla is not going to be, you know how normally it's like, oh, it's not to the penny. Tesla's not going to be to the dollar. You know, Tesla's a range. You got to give Tesla space. Saying it's super volatile and it's over $1,000. So I'm going to be watching that 1150 area. If Tesla breaks above it and holds it as support, I'll watch for a move that could take it back towards 1170. If Tesla bounces back into that, holds resistance, rejects, then I'll be watching it for downside into the 1120s. All right, that's what I'll be watching for on Tesla today. Okay, so Claudio, what's up, man? What are you doing, man? Don't tell me you swung some puts on Tesla. And you might be in good shape if you swung some puts. We are gapping down. Morning, Ricardo. So we got Tesla, MYNZ, LGVN, SENS. We have those on watch. Let's go take a quick look at our friend Lucid real quick. Again, let's clean up this chart some. Yeah, so I feel like Lucid has more downside towards 35. You swung one? I mean, you're in good shape, dude. We're getting a gap down. I hate AMC because I really wanted it to get up here one more time so I can get puts. And look at this thing, man. Never gave me the setup. We're really getting there. We're going to get that death cross, but we're not getting a bounce back into it. So I'm going to have to, now I'm going to be forced to wait to get this 50-day to crossover and then get a bounce into it to look for the rejection. This was the day. But I think I didn't notice it until this day. And that's when I said I want to get a bounce back in here. You swung NIO puts as well? Looks like you're in good shape there, man. Looks like you're definitely in good shape there. Just remember, don't overstay welcomes. All right. Let's see what else. Roblox is going to be testing again, apparently, a key level here at 92. In front of that $92 zone. Previous support zone. Tested yesterday, held, but now we're just sitting at it. And if you just sit at support, more often than not, if you don't get off that level, it cracks. So if Roblox were to crack this level, it's got room to fall probably down here to 85, 86. Man, that's a big level. That is a big level. I don't know. That's a big level, guys. That $92 zone is a big level on Roblox. Definitely got to keep that on watch. I'm going to throw it up here on the back burner. Roblox watch in the $92 area. Big daily level. To hold support. If it cracks, has room to fall to 86 zone. If it holds, you could see it bounce back to 97 or 100. So Roblox watching the $92 area, big daily level. Big daily level to hold support. If it cracks, has room to fall to the $86 zone. If it holds, could bounce back to the $97, $100 area. So that's an important level there to keep on watch for Roblox. So far we got a pretty nice list here, guys. Do you have any tickers you want me to take a look at for you? Throw it up in chat for me. I'll be happy to do that. So right now we're watching Tesla, MYNZ, LGVN, SENS, Roblox. All right, what do you got? The King made enough money Tuesday to buy a new pair of jeans. Nice. QQQ puts. Yeah. Yeah, man. The tech did not like when that 10-year treasury yield just jumped. Like out of nowhere, just bang. But right now, Qs are sitting at this 50-day. Very important level. Let's see if it holds it. Dwayne, I still have $102 put on Roblox. Sold 3 of them yesterday for a very good profit. Kept 1. Nice. Way to scale out. Good job. Good job scaling out. Oh, you're super in the money on that, man. Congratulations. Hell yeah. That's what's up. Keep an eye on that $92 zone. Very, very crucial level. 92 to 93 bucks. You know, look how important that level is. Look. Yesterday it was support. It was support back here. It was support back here on that day and on the next day. And if you scroll back, it was previously a resistance zone. So that's a very important level. Keep an eye on it. But yeah, guys, so far we got a pretty good list going. And if no one else has any other stuff, you know, like any other tickers you want to go over, then it's looking like we might have we might have completed our list. Now, you can either have the list sent to you for free into your inbox right here, or you can join the free Discord and go to the watch list section as well. Whichever one suits your needs the best. PFE, let's go take a look. Yo, Johnny, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on there. Looking forward to trading with you today. So Biohaven and Pfizer complete collaboration transaction for commercialization outside the United States. Okay, so outside the United States, transaction triggers total upfront payment to Biohaven of $500 million. I mean, 55 is definitely an important level. You can see here on the daily, clear as day. Previous level of resistance. See if it holds that today. Maybe you got a move on it that could take it back towards that 56 to 57. Boom. Boom. And bang. Support zone. Where's Tesla at? Yeah, Tesla's not doing a whole lot, but I will be watching, seeing if that 1150 zone holds resistance today. I mean, I prefer to find resistance prior to that, but just never know. Sorry, guys, just replying there to John All Site Administrator over on the Discord and the daytraderchatroom.com. Guys, I don't. Oh, wait. I got another one here hitting the scan here. CLST. This is off on the side here on my trade ideas scanners. That's what that is right there. If you're interested ever in trade ideas, the 25% off code they had is already expired, but I always have a standing 15% off code for all my subscribers. There it is in chat. So let's check this out. CLST. Wait. CLST. I was like, what? CSLT. There we go. Quick little pop and gap up on this one. Let's see if it has some news. I'd imagine so. CSLT. Time for some more of this. Hey guys, do me a quick solid. Hit that like button for me. Helps out with the channel tremendously. CSLT. Castlight Health and Vera Whole Health to combine to pioneer and scale value-based care in commercial market. Don't like that daily chart at all. So it's a merger. BTCS, no. Yeah, BYND's on the scan as well, but it's not looking all that hot. Selling off here, and I mean, look at this daily chart. My God. This daily chart is a nightmare. This daily chart's a nightmare. It really is. It's the ugliest daily chart, I think, in the whole bunch. Look at this thing, guys. Look at this thing. A low, huge high, huge low, huge highs, and now we're all the way back down here. This thing is wild. It almost looks like some sort of animal. I have a wild imagination. Yeah, so I don't, let's see what news it has. Just for the heck of it, why not? Hey guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9. So when you subscribe, you'll get an email when I'm live. So it reminds you, hey, come join Jesse in the live. And what my plan is Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 9. I'll bring on Fridays, 8 a.m. to 9, once we reach 100 people on the stream watching consistently. Right now, we're teetering in that 30 to 50 range on the daily. So Beyond Meat is climbing because Beyond Fried Chicken is coming to KFC. I'm sorry, that's just funny. That is so funny. Beyond Fried Chicken. There's no shortage of chicken. Like, why are we making chicken up? Like, why are we lab cooking chicken? I mean, for that matter, why are we lab cooking meat? But I don't know. Short it into the ground. Make BYND disappear. It's I don't know, man. Call me old school, but if I want to eat chicken, I want to eat real, like, chicken. That's rare, because I'm not a big chicken fan. But if I want to eat beef, it means I want to eat a cow. Whatever, dude. I also have a diesel truck, so there's that. Alright, guys, we got like 7 minutes before 9. At 9, I hop on over to the Discord and spend the rest of the day there in the Discord. And when I mean the rest of the day, I literally mean the rest of the day. Even this week that I've been sick, I've popped up on the mic again in the afternoon. Typically speaking, I run the Discord all day, meaning from 9:20 I jump on the mic and we go over the watch list. You know, then I'm streaming my screen, I'm talking on the mic, we're going over the plays, we're going over questions. Then we do 11:30 a.m. We do our recaps and lessons on the day. And then 12 to 2 lunch. And then 2 I come back on the mic. This week I've been taking it easy in the afternoon, trying to get better from the cold. Yesterday we didn't get into our recap and stuff until like 12 o'clock because I didn't get my first trade until like 11:19 a.m. Took a while to nail it. That's right. Dwayne, keeping it real, man. I drive a diesel truck. I fish. I hunt. I do everything that can probably get me canceled in this life. You should see, like, it's funny in the Discord yesterday. If you scroll through, you'll find I was like, guys, I'm just trying not to get canceled in the way I say this, because it's a joke, man. I'm always joking. I'm more serious in the morning when I'm doing the pre-market list, because, well, kind of just woke up, and well, I'm honed in, I'm zoned in on the work at hand. But when it's slowish, I'm always joking around. I was born in 1980s, man, like the early 1980s, right? 1983 type stuff. So I'm not too PC. So I'm always trying to be like, you know, it's always been fun in games. It's just fun. People get so sensitive. But so far I haven't insulted anybody, so that's a plus. I told Jonah the other day, I was like, Jonah, because I had my filter up at 100%. I was like, dude, I'm taking my filter down by a quarter. It's funny because the week of Christmas, I took it down for 50% because we were doing giveaways every day. I was like, dude, my filter's going off 50%. And we were having so much fun in chat. Everyone was having a great time. So, all right, guys, moving forward, I'll decrease my filter by 25%. I won't be corporate Jesse. I've been drinking Airborne. I don't have the emergency packets. I've been drinking Airborne. Basically same thing, different name. So yeah, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my videos and when I go live. Today's Wednesday, so there will not be a video uploaded. It's just a live. I'm trying something new this week and next week. And it's going to basically be a new schedule where I'm live Monday through Thursday. But then I have standing videos that get put on the channel Tuesday and Thursday. And then sometimes on Sunday, I'll sprinkle one in. So for example, this week on Sunday, we had a video. Monday, no video, but we were live. Tuesday, we were live and had a video. Wednesday, today's Wednesday. We're live. Tomorrow will be live and a video. Okay. And then next week on Sunday, I'll probably drop another video. And then Tuesday, Thursday, we'll drop videos and be live every other day. Yeah, Airborne's definitely super legit. I used to be super into, many years ago, like a lot of years ago at this point, into bodybuilding and fitness, nutrition. So I'm super familiar with basically all the types of amino acids and stuff like that you should take. So I'm on that, but it's the weirdest thing. It's one of these colds. Like conspiracy theorist. It's one of these man-made colds as far as I'm concerned. I've been alive for 38 years. Yes, I had to think about it for a second. And yesterday was the damnedest thing. I had a cold spot on my arm here and a cold spot on my leg. A spot. I feel fine. No fever, sore throat, and chills. That's it. That's all I have. Sore throat and chills. I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, Dwayne, man. I'm not much of a liquor drinker. Got a little bit of stuff there, but I'm not much of a liquor drinker. I have a sweet tooth, so I'm a soda guy. And I'm not like, oh, give me Coke and whatchamacallit, I don't know, 7-Up, whatever. No, I'm picky. I'm picky. You know how like some of you whiskey drinkers are super picky? I'm picky. I like sodas that have actual sugar in it and not high fructose corn crap. That's what I call it. So I literally like stuff like, so I'll buy the Mexican Coke because it's the one that comes in the bottle, that the glass bottle. That's the only one that has sugarcane sugar. And then I like this soda made in North Carolina called Cheer Wine. It has sugarcane in it as well. Nice job, bro, Star. Yeah, Joel, that's some good stuff right there. Yeah, it's some weird cold, right? I know. Had it for like 3 days now, but it'll go away. We'll shake it off. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Stay safe. Oh, you love this channel? Thank you. Love you. You know, I love having you guys here. I'm telling you, like, I want to do the stream every day, Monday through Friday, but I need to have at least 100 people on the stream to do it because it's like an effort to reward type of thing at that point. And the Fridays right now, they feel good to take them off. Because sometimes I overwork myself. Sometimes. Because you only see me here in the stream, you know, now 8 to 9. I got to log off in a couple seconds and go to the Discord. But I'm on the Discord doing this exact same thing all day, Monday through Friday. Plus, I was doing daily recap videos at the same time. I was getting too much. It's getting too much. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing the stream every day, Monday through Friday, once we get to 100 people. And then I'm discontinuing the daily recaps and just doing like a schedule where I'm going to have 3 uploaded videos, 2 to 3 uploaded videos per week. A little bit higher quality editing on them since now I have more leeway and time to play with it. And then the daily streams, Monday through Thursday. Every once in a while, we'll sprinkle in an evening stream. We've done those in the past as well. And then I really want to get to the Friday streams, but once we have 100 people steady here on the Discord, I'm sorry, on the YouTube, watching on the streams. Like right now we're at 41. Right? When I started doing this stream, we were like floating in the teens. 10, 12, 15, 13, 16, 12, 13, like that. And then we started floating in the 20s. Now we're hanging in there in the 40s. 30s and 40s, we're hanging in there, and that's really good. Moving forward, once we start hanging in that $100, I'm already thinking of stocks. Once we start hanging in that 100 zone, we're gonna stick around on Fridays. All right, guys. It is 9:01. I gotta hop on over to the Discord. If you want to come join us in the Discord, here's the link. I will be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today there's no video. Tomorrow, Thursday, I'll be live again, and I'm uploading a video. It's already scheduled to go live tomorrow. I think it's around 3 p.m. There's around 3 p.m. It's gonna be on my crypto mining setup. So if you want to look at that and how it's working out, tomorrow it's a really fun video. It'll be the crypto mining video, all right? So I hope to see you guys tomorrow in the stream, and I hope you smash the like button over on the new video, all right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.